म्हज्या बरोबर हांगा प्रेस्ली पेरेरा आसा कोच FC गोवाच्या अंडर-15 टिमीचो. प्रेस्ली, FC गोवा 5 गेमींतले 3 गेमी जिखल्यो. ओवरऑल परफॉर्मन्स इज रियली गुड, although they went down to Man U and Chelsea. What is your assessment of the overall performance?
To tell you frankly, I'm first of all very grateful to FC Goa management for putting us to this show. Secondly, Reliance as well. Now the biggest learning for us was competing with the best teams in the EPL. And to compete with the best teams in EPL, their structure, it gives us a great learning. And for me and my team, it's an immense pleasure that today we have come across a very strong team in the EPL.
Overall, what would you say would be the positives, the most impressive aspects of FC Goa's performance here? कितें सगळ्यांत चड तुका हार्टनिंग गजाल दिसता?
I think it's a biggest emotional thing for me right now to say any words, but the comments getting from the EPL team, for example Chelsea, Man U, they were just telling me, your boys are so amazing, we didn't expect such competition in India. Wow. And that is their like first trips with the youth, they were telling me, and they said we wanted competition and we got what we wanted.